To back your embroidery hoop with hot glue, you'll first want to plug in your glue gun to get it geared up and ready to go. Now, if you're like me and you use 2 pieces of fabric, you'll first want to cut that base layer of fabric off, and you can cut it as close to the rim of the embroidery hoop as you can get. Now to hot glue the fabric on, we're actually just going to fold over the fabric onto the hoop and glue there. But as you can see, my fabric is a bit too long for that because I don't want a bunch of overhang. So I'm going to go ahead and trim my fabric down quite a bit. So you can kind of experiment and fold your fabric over and see where the point is where you should cut. Now once that is done, you are ready to start hot gluing, and hopefully your glue gun is ready to go. So I'm simply just gluing along the inside border of my wooden hoop and then pushing the fabric down with my thumb to secure it in place. Now you will want to be careful if your hot glue gun is like super aggressive with the heat, just be cautious of not burning your fingers. And so I'm going to just repeat this all the way around of hot gluing the inner border of my wooden hoop and then pushing with my thumb the fabric over the top. And if you miss some pieces like that, we can go back in the end and refix that with just a little bit more of glue. Once I've made my way all the way around the hoop, I'm just going to go back with my hot glue gun and touch up those little bits of fabric that didn't quite want to stick, and then we will be well on our way to finishing this hoop. Lastly, you'll just want to remove all of those like little hot glue cobwebs, and then you will be set. And here's what you'll be left with: a clean backed hoop that is ready for hanging. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, would you go ahead and hit that like button, and you can stay tuned on my channel for other DIY embroidery projects, or you can browse other ways to back your hoop here. And until next time, my friends, happy stitching.